Today I show you the Extra NG. The Extra NG is a full carbon fiber two-seat aerobatic aircraft and is certified in EASA and FAA. You can fly up to plus or minus 10 Gs, but it's not just aerobatics, it also goes very fast from A to B. So with over 200 knots you can also travel very nicely. It has a certified autopilot and a nice heating system, so you can also lean back but at the same time fly your aerobatic sequence. Extra is building aerobatic aircrafts now for more than 45 years. We are the market leader in this small niche, so we really know how to fly loopings. My name is Markus Extra and I'm the general manager here at Extra Aircraft. Let's have a quick look at the Extra NG in more detail. The Extra NG is the successor of the Extra 300 series and especially the 330 LX, and it's a pure blast to fly. With the even bigger control surfaces, the maneuverability and controllability is just stunning. You cannot believe how awesome this aircraft flies. The Extra NG was built completely out of carbon fiber, so for that reason we have better aerodynamics, which makes the aircraft faster at the same time. That helps you in your aerobatic sequence, but of course if you just want to go from A to B, since you are faster a lot. So in the Extra NG we use a Lycoming 580 engine together with a propeller from MT, a 3 or a 4-blade version, which gives you the best performance that is available. This Extra NG is equipped with our high-performance ailerons, which go almost over the whole span of the wing. So it's really impressive, the roll rate of the Extra NG with more than 400 degrees per second, and at the same time you can do very precise and crisp stops. It's impressive. One of the coolest things of the Extra NG is the cockpit for sure. So the Extra has a very wide and comfortable cockpit, and I mean just look at it, it's the perfect quality, it just looks stunning. With very nice leather equipment and a carbon fiber interior, it's just fantastic to look at it. At the same time, comfortable and ergonomic, so we have adjustable pedals here and also an adjustable seat. With state-of-the-art avionics, we use a Garmin G3X Touch together with COM and transponder devices of Garmin, which just gives you the best information while doing your flight. This aircraft is also equipped with a heating system and the autopilot, and of course the smoke system that is necessary if you want to do cool aerobatic flights. You also have a second seat here, which is equipped with a Garmin G3X as well. So all the information the pilot has, the co-pilot has as well. And even big pilots like myself fit into this front seat easily. So if you are looking for a two-seat aerobatic aircraft with the highest quality standards, the Extra NG is the perfect choice for you. You can fly up to the unlimited level with the Extra NG. It has really incredible ailerons and the elevator and the rudder is just stunning. The maneuverability and the controllability is out of this world. But at the same time, the Extra NG is great if you want to do a cross-country flight, if you want to go fast from A to B with over 200 knots. You can turn on the autopilot and lean back and it's just a pure blast. You can also customize the Extra NG however you like to have the aircraft, like this example here. I mean, just look at it, it's just looking super sexy. If you have any question about the aircraft, just write us an email or give us a call. We're happy to answer all of your questions, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.